This is a brand new 2014 Honda Accord. It has a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine and a six-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, a sunroof, commercial-free satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, cruise control, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, front multi-stage airbags, a power driver's seat, steering wheel controls, full power accessories, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.